Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Steven back here with another tutorial, or as you know me online, your effing stepfather. Today we'll be going over how to make your YouTube Shorts pop using Filmora Wondershare 11. Alright, so first you gotta select your clip, find which one you're going to use, bring it on down, and then you gotta drag it down to the timeline. Okay, and then we're going to find the unnecessary parts of the clip, and we're going to edit it and delete what we don't need. Okay, so right about there, let it play for a little bit, we're going to figure it out, right about there. So I was trying out the speech to text feature to see if I can get what I wanted exactly in my clip. It didn't quite work out because there's too many people talking at once, so it couldn't recognize exactly what was being said, so I ended up having to do it myself. So what I wanted to do was get the words of what they were saying to pop up, because the reactions to this clip was priceless. It was really, really good reactions. So I found every word that they're saying when I broke it down, dragged out the timeline, you know what I mean, so I could see every couple of seconds, and found out exactly where the audio segments were for each word that my friend spoke. And then I typed out a text to that.
You see that snipe?
Okay, we're going to fast forward through that, and you guys will see what it looks like here in a sec. Here's rough draft number 1.
Let's go. Did you see that snipe?
You fucking hit that?
Oh my god, what?
Oh, what? You're a fucking demon, bro. He's so mad.
So I love the word art on any of the text you're trying to do, because you can pick a lot of different styles of it, and it really makes the video pop a little bit more. So I wanted to add like a demon face. Okay, when my buddy said you're a demon, bro, felt like it would make the video look a little bit cooler, so I found the right one I wanted. Okay, cut it to fit into the clip. Here's the final version of the clip.
Let's go. Did you see that snipe?
You fucking hit that?
Oh my god, what?
Oh, what? You're a fucking demon, bro. He's so mad. He is so fucking mad, bro.
That was great.
Oh my god.
Hurry up and clip your
So I posted this short yesterday. In the first day we got 1,000 views and some really good comments on it. Some people liked the video. Don't forget to check the description for a free download link to Wondershare Filmora 11. I love this editing software, and as always, make sure you like, subscribe, drop a comment if you liked it, and make sure you use your effing stepfather in the item shop.